Hello, my name is Márcio. Generating contracts manually is time-consuming and very prone to errors. To solve this, I built a full-stack solution to automate the entire process directly within Salesforce. Here we have a contract record. As you can see, there are no attachments yet. I created this Lightning Web component. When I click the button, it triggers an Apex callout to my backend, sending all relevant data securely. Behind the scene, I'm using n8n as a middleware. It receives the JSON payload, generates a dynamic PDF using HTML template, and uploads the binary file back to Salesforce via the REST API. Back in Salesforce, an Apex trigger detects the new file upload and instantly fires a custom notification to the user. And here's the result, a fully formatted PDF attached automatically, ready to be signed. This project demonstrates the power of combining LWCs, APEC triggers, and external integration. You can check the full source code of the project on my GitHub.